Who is responsible for paying car damage if I hit an animal? Have you ever wondered what happens if you accidentally hit an animal while driving? It can be a stressful situation, and knowing who pays for the damage can help ease some of that worry. Generally, when you hit an animal with your car, you are responsible for paying for the damage to your vehicle. This is because wild animals do not have liability insurance, leaving you without another party to hold accountable for the repairs. So what does this mean for your auto insurance? Typically, damage caused by hitting an animal is covered under comprehensive coverage, not collision coverage. Comprehensive coverage protects your vehicle from damage caused by events other than collisions with other vehicles. This includes theft, vandalism, weather-related incidents, and yes, animal collisions. For this coverage to kick in, your car must come into direct contact with the animal. If you only have liability coverage, which is designed to cover damage you cause to others, you will likely have to pay out of pocket for repairs after hitting an animal. Comprehensive coverage is optional in most states, but it is often required if you lease or finance your vehicle. Keep in mind that comprehensive coverage usually comes with a deductible, which is the amount you pay before your insurance covers the rest. Now, if you swerve to avoid an animal and end up hitting another vehicle or an object, that damage would fall under collision coverage. Collision coverage is therefore damage from collisions with other vehicles or objects, regardless of who is at fault. What if you hit a domestic animal, like a dog or cat? In that case, you may be legally required to stop and report the accident to the authorities. Sometimes, if the pet owner is found negligent, such as not controlling their dog, your insurance company might seek reimbursement from the pet owner's homeowner's insurance. To summarize, you are responsible for damage to your car after hitting an animal unless you have comprehensive coverage. This coverage pays for damage from animal collisions, but it is subject to your deductible. If you hit another vehicle or object while avoiding an animal, collision coverage applies. Remember, wild animals do not have insurance, so liability coverage does not apply in these situations. Lastly, reporting requirements can vary, especially for domestic animals, and failing to report may lead to legal consequences. Understanding these details can help you navigate the situation if you ever find yourself in this unfortunate scenario.